What's up guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make that a drawing kind of animation, like to make stories or to explain stuff. So yeah, there are plenty of apps, but I just have chosen the one which is the best. And yeah, if you want to do it on your computer, then there is a paid version as well. That is the actual original version, but this one has many other stuffs to do. So this app is called Banim. Okay, and yeah, let me tell you one more thing, that this video is not sponsored by any applications. And yeah, even if if any video is sponsored, then you'll see that it includes paid promotion, like in the right side end of the video. So yeah, link for this application will be in the description below. So now you can see, okay, so yeah, this is how it looks like. If you click on the plus button, you'll see this title where you can name your movie. Like, say I'm gonna name it as test, and you can choose the canvas size like Facebook, Vimeo, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So now I'm gonna choose, say, 1080p. And if I click on create movie, as you can see, this is how the interface looks like. And okay, so yeah, this is how the interface actually looks like. You can see here you get the animation, however you want the animation, you can do. I'm going to choose as fade out, and you can choose your own background image as well. So yeah, and if you want, you just click on this delete that bin, then your this slide kind of thing will be deleted. And here, if you click on the sticker, then you can add any you can add any kind of GIFs or drawings, as you can see, and people, like images of people, and plenty of things like that. So now what I'm gonna do is, okay, I'm gonna go with drawings. Oh, it's just loading. Say, let's go with this bus, and if you can use your finger to move it. I'm gonna keep it over here, and I'm gonna make the duration as 5 seconds, and this is the size. Okay, I'm gonna keep it by default this much, and I can put the animation for this, so I'm gonna keep it as default animation. And yeah, this is for this sticker. If you want, you can add your own image or something like that. So let me add an image. So here I have chosen an image, so you can set the size, you can crop it and stuff. So I'm gonna use this much. As you can see, I'm just gonna make it a bit smaller. Not this much small. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, there is some kind of delay, I guess. Yeah, so now you can also choose your background color. Like, say I want it to be red, and I can make it red. If I want it to be say, I'm gonna keep it green for now. And you also change the hand, if any kind, if you want this hand, you can see, you can use that. So now if I click on this play button over here, if I click, as you can see, oh, I guess there is some kind of glitch. Yeah, okay, as you can see, image is just it does not draw the it does not draw in detail or something like that. So I know why, because the duration I had to make it less. I'm gonna make it 2. Then if I play, okay, so there is some glitch over there. It's just drawing some parts of that bus. Yeah, as you can see, it just draws some parts of the bus, and image also it works. And now let's, you can also add a text, like say if I want, I can add subscribe, and I let me just make the size. No, I'm gonna make it over here. This is the font size. I'm gonna make it to um 500. There's some kind of glitch, I don't know. Oops. Okay, fine. As you can see, after this bus, um it draws the image, and it just draws subscribe. So yeah, it's like that. And if you want, you can add another one like this. So now I'm gonna put another text. There's some glitch over there, and you can choose the text color and the font style, and you can make it center and stuffs like that as well. Duration, delay, like say if I want it to be like 5 seconds, and if I play it, okay, it's also including the first slide. Okay, it opens this next slide like that. And the next feature is you can like voice over, or you can add a music track from your internal storage. It's something like that as well. If you click this button, then it's just gonna save the work. Okay, it's not gonna like export into your gallery. If you click on this share button over here, as you can see over here, let me close this. Yeah, then it just you can like rename your movie, like say it's test generate whatever. Okay, make movie, and it's gonna render this full thing. Yeah, now you can see the hand comes. There was some glitch over there, I don't know what was that. Okay, so it's rendering. It's gonna take a while, that's it. Okay guys, so finally, as you can see, it has saved. If I want, I can play with I can play it, and I can also share it. So yes guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, let's see if this video gets 10 likes. It's gonna be really awesome, not gonna lie. So yes guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Bye bye.